Good evening, parents and students. Welcome to the 2021 Tracy High School Virtual Open House. Your student may have me for either PE, strength and conditioning, or health. I'm going to walk through each of those right now in the Google Classroom so you can see what we've been doing. Starting off with PE, what we've done is created assignments where they'll do one assignment a week. What that is what I call the PE menu, which is this. This is the PE activity menu. There's 6 different options on this page: body image, motivation and mindfulness, fitness careers, food labels, fitness books or articles, workout apps and websites. So for example, there would be 6 weeks right here if a student were to do one a week. And what I've done is made 6 pages, everything from fitness videos, yoga, sport analysis, esports, home workouts, to nutrition as far as cooking a meal, eating out versus eating at home, recipes, supplements. What else? Swerkit workouts. If you have not heard of Swerkit, it is a fitness app that I put instructions on the stream. I think it was the first item where you can download this fitness app for free. So there is instructions on there. I definitely recommend it. We've been using it a lot in class. It's a really good app. And as you can see, there's more options for students to do. So basically, there's 6 pages, 36 options, and students have the option of doing one of those a week. And very simply, all they'll do is name period, which box they picked, and then they will just answer the prompt in the box. All right, so that's for PE. Next, we have strength and conditioning. Students have been shown a variety of workout styles and have gone over food logs, meal planning, some surveys in the beginning. On the stream, there's a ton of nutrition information for them to check out, as you can see, step counter, core workouts, as well as other workout books that they can check out. So those will give them different ideas for workouts at home. Next, for health class, we've been using the health book, which is this, with a very simple response form of 4 questions. Something I learned that I didn't know before is, something I found interesting was, this will help me in life because, and in a few sentences, summarize your thoughts on this chapter and why you feel it's important. So what we've done is we've basically covered a chapter, a class. I know that's quite a bit during these trying times, but unfortunately, I want the students to get this info. I think it's very good for them. So we've been doing 1 chapter a class, and then they just fill out those response forms. The only other advice I can really give as far as what your student needs to do is, first, I would say to be on time. I recommend the student set an alarm on their phone so that they're not late. I do give points every day for student attendance. So as long as they're showing to every class and doing some of the work, they should pass. And what else? I do accept late work, so if they are missing any assignments as of today, they can still go back and complete those, and I will give them full credit. We are officially in week 7 out of 10 weeks, so we are winding down. I recommend you check Google Classroom to see if they've done the assignments, and then double check Aries for their grade, so you can see how they're doing in the class. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Hopefully that presentation on those 3 classes shows you a little of what we're doing. I think it's been great information for the kids during this pandemic, and hopefully they're enjoying the content and material. And thank you very much for being here tonight. If you have any questions, just email me. Thank you.